Hey there everyone, it's Liesel for Money Done Right. And here's a hypothetical question for you. Which would be easier for you to save, $800 per year or $2.19 per day? Well, guess what? That was a sneaky trick question. Both get you to the same place come December. However, spreading your savings out like peanut butter rather than having to put it all away in one big lump sum tends to be easier. This is the premise behind the app called Qapital with a Q, not a K or a C. Launched in 2012, Qapital is an automated savings account app that integrates with your bank account and moves small amounts into savings over time. Qapital even offers a Visa debit card to link to your existing checking account so you can easily divert funds into your Qapital savings account. Automating savings is great, but there are some drawbacks to Qapital that you'll definitely want to consider before downloading the app. And we'll get into those little drawbacks later in the video. Qapital operates on a roundup basis. So first you link your bank account, then Qapital will take your purchases and round them up according to your predetermined rules. So, for example, your $4.13 latte becomes a $5 purchase with 87 cents going into savings, and a $1.50 newspaper becomes $2 with 50 cents, not 50 cents, going into savings. You probably won't even notice that those pennies and nickels and dimes are gone, but they'll definitely add up over time. Now let's talk about some of Qapital's other features. In addition to the aforementioned automated savings and Visa debit card, you can also access Qapital Invest, which has pre-built portfolios and zero management fees, a weekly budget tracker called Spending Sweet Spot, Payday Divvy, which automatically sets aside money for your monthly essentials each time you're paid, so you can easily determine how much fun money you have. Joint saving, where you can team up with friends and family to more quickly reach your goals. And money missions, which are available to master level users and are a fun way to boost your savings and trim expenses with challenge-based money moves. Qapital's automated savings runs on rules and challenges that you set, which means that you can actually make saving and investing feel like a fun game. What? Don't believe me? Check out all the different fun rules you can set, and you just try to tell me that you're not suddenly jonesing to get saving.
Woo!
That's what I am talking about, Willis. Want to find out more about these rules? Have a gander at our super duper in-depth Qapital review by clicking the link below, then come on back. I'll still be here. I'm trapped in cyberspace. Somebody help. So, what are your savings goals? When setting up Qapital, it'll have you create your goals and identify how much you need to save in order to reach them. And you can change those goals up anytime you like. Then you'll pick the rule that you want to use when working towards each goal. You will link your bank account and voila! You'll be ready to start saving. When you've met a savings goal and are ready to use the cash, or perhaps you need a buffer for some unexpected expenses, accessing your Qapital savings is easy peasy breezy. You simply withdraw whatever you need from your savings in the app and it's transferred directly back into your linked checking account. Transfers should then take a few days to process before the funds are available. If you'd like to do more than just automatically save, well, you can invest with the top 2 paid tiers of Qapital users, the Complete or Master monthly plans. There are 5 portfolios to choose from with 12 different asset classes. Qapital will ask a few questions, then recommend a portfolio that's most suited to your answers. At that point, you'll establish saving rules, remember those rules, for your investment account and sit back and watch as your portfolio grows. Qapital has 3 monthly levels to choose from, ranging in price from $3 to $12 a month. You can use our link to get a free 30-day trial if you'd like to try Qapital out before committing, and you can cancel anytime. To sign up for this free trial, you don't need to even provide a credit card. Just download the app, choose your membership level, and start setting goals. Qapital takes security very seriously, and communication on the app is protected by the highest SSL and TSL standards. Important info like your social security number and banking credentials is never stored on their servers, and everything is encrypted before transmission. So, what are the pros and cons of Qapital? First, the cons. Number 1, you're paying Qapital money to help you save money. Enough said. Number 2, Qapital doesn't offer any interest as you save. Of course, you can use Qapital as a way to automatically save, then transfer that money into a high-yield savings account of your choice. But other than that, you won't earn any interest while money is in your Qapital account. Number 3, Qapital is mobile only with no web platform. So if you like logging into your accounts from a computer, it is no dice, Chicago. Number 4, Qapital is a great mobile-only platform, but they don't offer a phone number to speak with a customer service rep. So if you have any issues, email is your only option. Number 5, some users have complained that it can take as many as 10 days for Qapital to start rounding up their purchases and saving money. Additionally, it can take a few days when you start transferring funds back and forth between Qapital and your checking account. And now that we have all those nasty little potential cons out of the way, bye, on to the delightful pros. Number 1, saving money for big goals can seem daunting, but with Qapital, everything is automated and you probably won't ever feel the pinch of these small amounts of savings being set aside over time. Qapital has helped over 1 million users save more money, so it does work, but you'll just have to determine if the cost is right for you. Number 2, Qapital works with almost any US bank and is easy, safe, and fast to set up and link via Plaid, a fintech processor. Number 3, no matter what your daily habits are, you can turn them into savings with Qapital's if this, then that rules, such as sending 25 cents to savings every time you tweet or hit the gym. So, at this point, if you're not sure whether Qapital is the right savings automation app for you, there are some great alternatives like Acorns and Digit that you can also check out. Acorns works similarly to Qapital in that it'll bump your charges up to the next dollar and move the difference into a designated savings account. While Qapital is mostly for meeting savings goals, Acorns is focused on investing those squirreled away funds. Squirrels! Digit will also save automatically on your behalf, but instead of rounding up each individual purchase, Digit learns your spending habits and lets you know what you can afford to save by calculating different savings amounts throughout the month based on when and how you spend your money. So, that's our Qapital review. And if you think it sounds like a fit, well, you know what to do. Click our link below to get your 30-day free trial. Regardless of what option you go with, saving for the future is absolutely non-negotiable. Apps like Qapital, Acorns, and Digit offer different ways of going about it, but in the end, your road to savings begins with a single step, and these apps and all of us here at Money Done Right are here to help you on your journey. And before I go, have you tried Qapital or Digit or Acorns, or do you have any questions? If so, let us know in the comment section below. That was a terrible click. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Done right here on YouTube, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video that'll help you save and earn money. Thanks for watching, you guys. Now go get saving. It's time. Let's go. We're going.